My dear students, myself Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics, MLZ Jhansi. Today I am going to teach you the next topic of lesson 1. Subset is today's our topic is subset. What is subset? The meaning of subset is a part of given set. कोई भी एक जो हम सेट लेंगे उसके बहुत सारे सेट बना लेंगे, उन सभी को उस दिए गए सेट का सबसेट बोलेंगे. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सबसेट. नाउ देयर आर सम फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स विच वी शुड नो. इफ अ सेट हैज़ n number of elements, then its total subsets are given by 2 raised to the power n. Phi is subset of every set. Phi means empty set. Empty set is the subset of every set, and every set is the subset of itself. Okay, now taking an example, let A equals to set 1 3 5. So there are number of elements in this set are 3. Now its total subsets are 2 raised to the power 3, which is equals to 8. So there are 8 subset of the given set, and they are as: first of all, empty set is the subset of every set, and every set is the subset of itself. Now make other sets. Let's say 1 3 5. Now taking 2 elements at a time, 1 3 1 5 3 5. So these are total 8 subset. Now come to next topic, Venn diagram. The symbol A union B, and the Venn diagram for this is this much. The shaded region is known as A union B. Next is A intersection B. In this is the common shaded region between these two sets. So this represent A intersection B. After this, A minus B. A minus B, we can say difference of sets, difference of two sets, or this we can also say A but not B. The shaded region which includes only A, the part of B is not available, only A. This is called A minus B. If we shade this region only, this region is called B minus A. Okay. After this, A dash, or you can say A not, or you can say A complement not A. Now Venn diagram for this is universal set, and this is set A. Now region outside this set A is known as set complementary set A. Okay, so that is all for the day. I hope this video will help you to do the exercise based on subset. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.